talk loud, don't flash gold. Wears the years in the way he holds. Every scar's got a story tight. He don't tell it, he walks it right. No rush, no fake pride. He's got stones that most men hide. He don't chase what don't stay. He just nods and moves away. A real man walks, head down low, shoulders square, step slow. No need to prove, no show to stop. You know truth when a real man walks. He don't fold in the dark nights, does the job not for the lights. He holds the line, keeps it clean, knows what power really means. Doesn't beg, doesn't boast, carries love like it's the most. He don't fight to just be seen, he stands up where others lean. A real man walks, quiet and wide, heart won't raw, but full inside. No crowd, no talk, just grit and stock, built from truth. That's a real man walk. Find him in the noise, you'll find him in the choice to stay, to rise, to hold, to fall, and still walk proud through it all. A real man walks, not for praise, not for looks, not for stage. He's just built from something strong, so he walks right even when it's wrong. No need to talk, just a real man walks.